An historic day for the LGBTQ community in Michigan. The Michigan Supreme Court ruled that the state's anti-discrimination laws do cover sexual orientation. 7 Action News anchor Mike Duffy is breaking down this milestone ruling and its far-reaching impact.
Well, that 5-2 ruling includes one Republican justice. It means members of the LGBTQ community can no longer be denied housing, get fired from a job, or denied service at a business in the state of Michigan.
I couldn't be more thrilled. I've been involved in trying to amend the Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act to cover sexual orientation and gender identity for years.
Janice Poindexter is a case manager at the Ruth Ellis Center and LGBTQ community activist. She explained what it felt like Friday, waking up protected from discrimination under Michigan law.
I feel joy, I feel happiness, and I feel glad to be a Michigander.
The Supreme Court's decision Thursday made clear the word sex in Michigan civil rights law applies to sexual orientation too, not just gender.
Here in the state of Michigan, we are validated and we are seen and protected like everybody else under the law.
Attorney General Dana Nessel, who argued the case, weighed in.
It's good for the people of our state, it's good for businesses in our state, and it's great for the economy of our state. It means that people can feel confident in being who they are and being so publicly and not have to worry about having their job threatened or their housing situation threatened.
For her, the issue is also personal.
Up until yesterday, I could still walk into a diner and be told that they won't serve me or my family. We're law-abiding members of the community like anybody else. We just want to have all the same opportunities, and now we do.
The issue is also personal to Marissa Jane Wolf, one of the people who filed a civil rights complaint that ultimately led to the Supreme Court's decision. She was denied electrolysis service to have facial hair removed.
I was disgusted. I was humiliated. I was scared for other people who would seek the same service.
Wolf says the win has only just started to sink in.
I feel validated. I'm sure other people feel validated, but I realize also that the fight's not over. I want people to feel inspired to speak up when they do experience the discrimination and the hatred, because nobody should be alone in this.
Now, those who have been fighting on the front line say that they're going to take a few moments to at least enjoy this win, but they say they can't rest until these rights are enshrined in state law by the legislature. In Detroit, Mike Duffy, 7 Action News.